Zero-emission rocket. Rockets, when they are launched, adds massive amounts of carbon to atmosphere. For instance, Falcon 9 adds about 440,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere in single launch. However, the emissions from rockets are relatively low in comparison to emissions from other transport industries like airlines and gasoline vehicle. With increasing in number of rockets launches by both private companies and government agencies, and moreover with onset of another space race, the emissions from the rocket companies are going to become serious matter in few decades. To solve this problem, SpaceX, one of the successful private rocket company, plans to have carbon-neutral rocket system. In this video we are going to explore the concept of zero-emission rocket. The concept all boils down to extracting carbon dioxide from atmosphere and putting back to the atmosphere, resulting in net zero carbon emission. Starship rocket currently under development and testing phase use methane as propellant and oxygen as oxidizer. The methane fuel can be produced from atmospheric carbon dioxide using Sabiator process. Thanks to Paul Sabatier and Jean-Baptiste Cendrons for the idea of Sabiator reaction. The process uses 1 molecule of carbon dioxide and 4 molecules of hydrogen to produce 1 molecule of methane and 2 molecules of water. However, this reaction is energy intensive with temperature of 400 degrees Celsius and pressure of 30 bar. Moreover, it requires hydrogen in its pure form, which is not abundant in atmosphere. Therefore, this process works best in combination with electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water produce oxygen and hydrogen. Hydrogen can be used as reactant for Sabiator process and oxygen is left to be used as oxidizer for rocket. SpaceX plans to provide energy for the reaction from renewable sources like solar and wind power plants. This concept will work best in Mars as well because water and carbon dioxide are available. This will enable rockets to get refuel from Mars itself, dramatically reducing rocket size to be launched from Earth, as they need not carry extra fuel for return trip from Mars. The concept of carbon-neutral rocket system is also one of the interest for NASA. They plans to produce hydrogen and oxygen from water by electrolysis. The hydrogen will be propellant and oxygen will be oxidizer for their rocket, thus producing water as exhaust from rocket during launch. The concept seems very inefficient for now, however it is going to be practical in few decades.